Oh yeah, on white light, white light.
Down,
Why are you on one side? Can one on elu. Turn answer then. Let me not tell you. Where you tell?
Put your clothes. Put your clothes together.
Where you tell? You don't get to tell. Fold which clothes? Fold which clothes? You don't get to tell.
Sir, I will have small.
You have small.
Yes, sir.
Who is there with you?
It's my sex girl.
Your sex girl, Igbo?
Yes, sir.
Ah. Turn am, make I see. You get small. What be your name?
Ketura might to time.
Huh?
Ketura might you.
It's all one, yeah.
Ketura might you. Might you.
Ketura, which tribe are you from?
I'm from Benue, Idoma.
Where in Idoma?
Ogbadibo.
Where in Ogbadibo?
Orokam.
Therefore,
I'm 25 years. Going 26.
Kebishna watch him.
Nasarawa State, Lafia.
Gene kenano.
Nara bag perfume. Aqua.
Gene kenano. Gesenara. Gene kenano.
Business.
Which business can you
Nera aqua. Bag, perfumes. And wrapper.
Aqua worker or aqua more.
Aqua why?
Ketura, one ya kagom. Ketura, you weapon wambo.
No, sir.
Get a nigga and I got endo.
No, Pama Ngola last 2 years. But Mamu didn't.
Don't know.
Thank you, sir.
Maga onye ben.
Mambo Idoma.
Mpaga onye ben.
Idoma.
Keki na Igbo.
Okwana Lafia maka ndi bunu that there are plenty here.
In the north, in Lafia State, that is where you learned Igbo and you're speaking like this.
Yes, sir.
You deserve an award.
Thank you, sir.
Are you hearing me? Do you know why
Yes,
I said
sir.
you deserve an award? There are some of my sisters, brothers, who are only in Lagos, who are even in Enugu, in Anambra, they can't speak their own dialect. In Rolo Taga ba mamre na hole.
Mba.
Arobala gembo.
No, sir. Mba, sir.
Ija no ta ya ge that's n'ime abali. Oja wuchi ije ge mewe ka agwo. Ge go ma agwo. Mewe ka agwo n'ime abali. Night reach, they do like snake. They behave like snake or dog.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
No time where you don't do like snake or dog for night.
No, sir.
If they there for dream, you go see yourself for meeting where you and your fellow women they do meeting.
No.
Ida waji kegabo. Aje.
Yes, sir.
Elehema waje.
Hey.
Ibala pulambo.
Mbao.
Ketura, le onye nyere gị ego iji bido business ka ọ bụ mmadụ ka ị na-arụ?
Mbakwa.
Who give you money where you take start business or you dey work for person?
Mpam na elder sister m nke nuru di na Abuja.
Ha nwa nyere gị ego iji bido business?
Yes, sir.
Ketura, which of your character be the bad character where you know say you get? Where be say in case man meet you now, him go still observe him, make him endure, make him just accommodate you. Which character they inside you where you know say you get? Inside you, you know say that thing don't make you man, no one marry you. Men go there with you, then go have value. Talk and now, any man way there around, way here am, you know that one, he feel like you. And he can accommodate you. He go allow make you an day. Oh yeah, which character you get will be bad one?
Hunger issue, like my temperament.
How the anger issue take they come?
Like if it is in a relationship, there is some things I will endure. And on a normal ground, say me, my kind of person, if I'm angry, I love to display. So maybe after display, it will not be up to 1 hour. I'll be regretting it. Yeah.
The thing they do you sometimes go begin the display, they holler, they shout, they
Yeah, but there to be something that will trigger it.
You are man done there before you come the quarrel and come hook up for clothes before or hold up for wearing the piece. Don't do them before.
Me, my kind of person, I love my skin well, so I don't want anything that will bring issues.
I know they ask you waiting whether you love your skin or
like
not. Listen.
I should hold a man.
Listen. It's a simple question. I don't want to know whether you love your skin or you don't love your skin.
No,
I
sir.
say, have such a thing occurred. You a man get small misunderstanding. Your man. In one way or the other, you hold him for clothes or you hold him in place wearing the piece. Yes or no?
No, sir.
Ketura, you
Yes,
don't wait for WhatsApp before your man go call you. Give with Otele, where working at WhatsApp.
No, sir.
Akuku oja dog conversion they do you.
No.
You don't dey like this. If man the peace for road, you go they carry eye they look in PC in Pisare. You don't look man wearing the piece before for road, you carry eye they look am.
No.
You and your fellow woman don't dey with one man before.
No.
You they follow two men at the same time. You they friend two men at the same time.
No, sir.
How many men don't chop you?
Ofu boy to, he say it's here.
Like you free boy time now is here. Is here one.
6, sir. 6.
Oh yeah, mention their name.
Ofu bu Jerry.
Fast.
Okay, Jerry. John. Oche. Gideon. God's will. Then the last one, I think it's Peter, but I've forgotten the last one, sir, but I think it's Peter.
All these people now, where you and them do something together, why they no pay your bride price? Why they no marry you?
Sir, like the 3, it was when I was growing up, then head they hot, gara. I don't normally last in a relationship. Like any small thing I will get pissed off, then I will just move out of the relationship. So the other 3, The other three is my temperament, like my hunger.
The other three, your temperament, your anger, they make them, they last. They no one marry you.
Yes, and another thing, if like then I don't normally admit if I'm fault. I'm always claiming right. Yeah.
So what is your own role to play in order to see that the whole thing comes to an end, it stops, so that you can be able to stay with your man that shows you love and that you personally love?
Okay, now what I came to realize, when you are angry, you don't need to talk. You allow the atmosphere to be calm, because when the atmosphere is calm, when you are talking to that person, you both understand each other. By the point that you are angry and you are just saying things that you know is bad, but to tender an apology, you felt as if you tendered apology, and you yale, I know you get enough this and this. So I think now what I learned, if I'm angry, I don't talk immediately. Allow the atmosphere to calm a bit, then I'll tell you that this is what you do, this is what you do.
Have you started learning how to take correction when they tell you this is what you did is wrong? Have you started learning how to, and sometimes you don't even say sorry when you are wrong. You don't say sorry. So have you
Yeah,
started,
yeah.
yes, have you started learning how to take correction over your faulty attitude and start learning how to say sorry?
Yes, I've started learning it, and my elder brother is guiding me as well. My elder brother is guiding me because he's the one telling me when I'm angry. If someone is angry, you don't need to talk at that moment. So ever since I've been following that protocol, I think it's helping me.
So now, don't you think that if a man now propose marriage to you, you later marry, born one, born two, you enter my house, this your character no go come back again?
No, 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 because it's something that I've started working on it. So
Because some of you, when you enter my house, come feel relaxed. When you don't born, make a born chair, make a born obi, maybe you now come feel reluctant, say, wait till the phone and don't get them. Now go, now is beats another one. Don't you think he go begin another one when you don't marry?
once you are married and you bring it up, I don't think it's necessary, because there is no point of you bringing it. Now you're about to build a home, because I don't, in the sense that maybe I gave birth to one child, then along the line I started displaying. What am I displaying for?
Okay.
So that is just it. Yes, sir.
Okay. Mechanic man wey get money come marry you, you go follow am, or the one wey no get money? Now money you want for marriage, or na love you want, or na happiness you want? Which one you want, na money or love or happiness?
Number one is love. Secondly, love without money. So I think it should be 50-50.
You say na marriage you want, or na money or na love?
Sir, I said number one, there should be love. And secondly, in a home where, let's say I'm not doing anything and my partner is not doing anything and we get to marry, I think there will be commotion somewhere. So once at least I'm at least trying and my partner is trying as well. So I think we can build a home from there.
What of your partner, as he no get, you make you work that money, come get them? Make una, since you no get, and love him love you, and you sure say he love you, you can't carry the money, come teach them how they go use them, una go build empire, uncle.
Yeah, building empire is not a problem, but there is some men.
I dey ask you question, oh, that one, uncle, no be some men. I ask you, what of if you see man we no get, my sister, and you know say that man are your type of man, and you can't love him, and he can't love you, and you sure say he love you, you can you can't make that money? Why not you come make that money, so that that love will go work out? Because you say everything now 50-50. That 50-50, now what if he come from you? How you see him?
It's not a problem because he's my husband.
Okay,
So yes.
it's okay. Then, if you want to attack Janyo, if they come, if they chop you, if they come,
Yes, yes, yes.
how you they take shots when they come?
Oh, 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 oh.
No verse. You say you know they turn to snake for house before.
No, sir.
Never turned to snake before.
No, sir.
Never turned to dog before.
No.
Ah. Many minutes?
Because
How many minutes Ketura can
highest 30.
Or torture? Is it?
30 minutes, sir.
Huh? Is it?
If I'm in the mood, 30.
30.
Yes.
Let me tell you, any man will propose to you from here now. Are you hearing me? Buy
Yes, sir.
casket. Buy casket after marriage. You hear? If the man won't marry you, buy a party. Buy a party ozu, get domara the man. When I am bagana. You know, I am baggy Delilah. When I am bagana. Now, no, 30 minutes. It better wear on. That's it. Ain't on. It better wear here.
Sir.
Damn you, Sagana.
Sir, if you love the person, 30 minutes just like 5 minutes. If you love that person genuinely, like from your heart, 30 minutes is just like 2 minutes, sir. If you love that person from your heart, nobody is forcing the energy. Once you both love yourself, 30 minutes is just like 2 minutes. That is just it. Man surigashi. Okay, it's okay.
Ikagu one body. I call your number.
081 61 22 0597.
Otele Rosanna. No one did judge again. And you take one umbrella. Otele Rosanna. See, it's a walk.
Ana mango.
Huh?
Ana mango.
I don't have a mental health nurse. Ganandara noga.
Hango mango. Kind of at the same frequency.
Ijang. Obunne Jemmy Adia. Huh? Chai. What can understand him again? Don't Chairman no so bad. Sorry. Chai. Parents got my in a mental frequency problem. Huh?
Hey.
Or network, ya come to me. Nena na got the power in a mental frequency problem.
Hey, Bishop, Mama.
Okay, can you get Nena na got my a mental frequency problem?
Asim, hey, hammer.
Okay. Wanambra Arabaga no gandara no na UK. Ebregugu.
Ebremug.
Nwa bobe achapro lo telekande. Ọgwụ ọnọ nso.
Bishop, Muyara. Asimana melekota ndara. Muyara.
Onye lekọta ndara na onye ara wụ ofu na. Enwe ihe dị iche. A prison warder wee prisoner. Ele ihe dị iche gị na onye ara. Ihe ọchị echegala like this ordinary ọchị. Ọwụ ha ordinary. Lee ihe echega kemgbe e bịara nga enwe anything dị funny n'ime ihe mmeghe ihe. Gwa m si share ya, me share ya my sister. And they see your parents they are aware. You want akwụkwọ obodo?
Ewe ma we pata manoli. enweghị m awụ m tupu ikwu pata enwe m akwụkwọ m ji anọ
Ije eyi pant.
ana m eyi
Enwere mgbe ndị ara tara gị arụ?
mba
Agbala ahụ aka ntị mbụ?
mba mana ha esuola m ọkpọ
Okay, o sochana ya. Nwa agbọghọbịa ndị ara akụrụla ọkpọ mbụ na ndị ara na-alụ ọgụ ya wụ ndị otu ya. Ị nọrọla otu a gị nọrọ nga ha nọ nyụọ ahụ?
ana m anyụ na ha anyụkwa m anyụ
Oke, ndị ara ahụ nyụọ ahụ ga anyụkwa. Okay. Nwa agbọghọbịa ya na ndị ara mere competition of enyo ahụ. Ọrụ ọrụ. Ị nwere ihe ụmụ nwaanyị na-eji awụ n'ike?
mba na it's not for me.
It's not for you, my daughter. It will not be for you. Nah, good girl.
Thank
Good
you.
girl. You wanna? Imele wine na wine mbụ?
mba
Enwere mgbe ị wepụrụla nwa?
olo mba
Iji ụmụ ole?
amụbeghị m. I'm hoping to soon though.
Gị na nwoke ibe m o megidela ihe gị gbara ya ọtọ na WhatsApp?
agba m ọtọ pụta esendere m ukwu m ọ chọrọ ịhụ how flat ọ dị m esendere ya
Ịgba n'ọtọ sendere ahụ ka wee just see picture m ga-eyi
string send ya Otele.
oke iyi pant iji string. Ngwa gee ntị ihe mere o ji dị important. Ụta m jụrụ gị ihe a ga-ekwu ya. Emanụ ga-abịa tugburu na onye ji ụta ahụhụ gị na ịlụ mana di ya chọ irebelụ gị ọ ikwutọ gị. Some of them bịatazi otu ikwuru ya here. The man ga-abịa to you hụzie ihe ahụ. Ọ ga-awe new to him. Ọ ihe i mere mgbe ị na-ama ya. And equally is a known thing now. So that is why sometimes I judge this question, I know what I'm saying. Okay. There are things you cannot say with your man. Man, biazi ya mata. Si ihe dị otu ikwukuru ya na life dị otu a.
Okay.
This string iyi. Mgbe ahụ ishiri ya nga aja nọ n'ike gị.
Mba, just ọ chọrọ ịnwa ngadi ukwu ha. Ịma na ukwu m dara ada. So ọ chọrọ ịdị short.
Chai, ndo. Nwa agbọghọbịa ukwu ya tara ata. Sere ukwu ya pictures ndị ara nwoke ibe m na WhatsApp. Ngo iji string. Atala gị n'ime moto mbụ? Ele moto anọta gị?
2016 Camry.
Ma agbọghọbịa tara na tiny light. Moto tiny light ọrọbọ 2016. Atara gị n'ihu moto ka ọ n'azụ?
N'azụ.
Elo ga-anọta gị ọ n'obodo oyibo ka ọ na Nigeria nga?
Ọ na Nigeria.
Onye tara gị n'ihu n'azụ moto ole ihe mee na ọlụ gị?
I ameghe ka ịlụ alụ.
Ele ihe mega ya ata gị? Ele ihe gaga ya ata gị n'ime moto?
Anyị chọrọ na-alọta. One thing led to another. Yes, biri.
Okay, onye gị na ya arụga the same place ka gị na ya tara? Iji aṅa amụ?
Nah, I used to, but not anymore. For some time now, who onye water ya.
Okay, enwere ndị a na-awọta ịṅa amụ ha aṅụ. Okay, how many minutes can I on ngamo?
Oh, more, and I'm not good. I need small, maybe 5 minutes. Or these 5 minutes. It's a lot of
Ngamo responsibly. Responsible ngamo. Mmadụ letra lagi.
1, 2, 3, 6.
Mmadụ si se ekere onye ketara gị na moto.
Yes.
Ndị etaga gị ha ji ogbu ataga gị.
How many again?
Ha eji ogbu atagi ka eji atagi without.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ndị na-eji atagi ha na-eji ogbu atagi ka na atagi without.
Ha na-eji okpu.
Ndị a na-eji atagi ha na atagi with or without.
With. I don't know, maybe it's my reception. I don't know. Is it bad?
Ha tamaghị eji anyụ.
Yes, most times.
Ege nyele odi mkpu na-eti.
I'm at one when I had a person.
Ngwa kpọwa aha the person. Nyuma na. Nyuma. Kpọwa aha the person.
Bishop.
Atala m gị before. Abụkwa nonsense ka gịnị. I'm not joking with you here.
All right. I'm not in a relationship now, so I'm not even got one hand. Okay, Nas. Oh my God, Nas.
Genotype gị.
AA.
Blood group gị.
O positive.
I akpọ phone number gị.
07.
Boy, your WhatsApp phone number. Boy, ya now.
Okay.
Boy, ya complete with the code number.
Okay, I can use the Nigerian number for WhatsApp. So +234 80 56 23 1990.
I akpọ your UK number.
07 392 393 407.
Buhari your UK number.
07 okay +44 7 392 393 407.
Your genotype ogini.
AA.
Blood group.
O positive.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you, Bishop. I'm grateful.
Network.